Now here the question is, resolve z to the power 5 plus 1 into linear and quadratic factors with real coefficients and then reduce that 4 sin pi by 10 into cos pi by 5 is equal to 1. Now we can write z to the power 5 plus 1 equals 0. Then z is minus 1 to the power 1 by 5, which is minus 1 to the power 1 by 5. Now suppose alpha is fifth root of unity, which is e to the power iota 2 pi by 5. Then 5 roots of z to the power 5 plus 1 are minus 1 minus alpha square minus alpha cube and minus alpha to the power 4. So we can write z to the power 5 plus 1 as z plus 1 z plus alpha square z plus alpha cube into z plus alpha to the power 4. Alpha to the power 4, which is 1 upon alpha, which we can write as alpha bar, and alpha cube is alpha bar square. So we'll replace alpha to the power 4 with alpha bar and alpha cube with alpha bar square. So we'll write this as z plus 1 into z plus alpha bar, z plus alpha square and z plus alpha bar square. Now we'll multiply these two factors and the other two factors. So we can write this as z plus 1 z square plus alpha bar z plus mod of alpha square and then z square plus alpha bar square z plus mod alpha to the power 4. Now mod of alpha is simply 1 and alpha plus alpha bar is 2 cos 2 pi by 5 and alpha square plus alpha bar square will be 2 cos 4 pi by 5. So we can write z to the power 5 plus 1 equals z plus 1 z square plus 2 cos 2 pi by 5 z plus 1 into z square plus 2 cos 4 pi by 5 z plus 1, and this is how we have factorized z to the power 5 plus 1 into linear and quadratic factors. Now using this, we need to deduce that this 4 sin pi by 10 into cos pi by 5 is equal to 1. We'll write cos 4 pi by 5 as cos pi minus pi by 5 and cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So it will be minus cos pi by 5. So we'll write z to the power 5 plus 1 as z plus 1 z square plus 2 cos 2 pi by 5 z plus 1 into z square minus 2 cos pi by 5 z plus 1. Now what we'll do is we'll let z equals 1. So we'll get 2 equals, and here this value will be 2. Here 1 plus 1 will be 2. We'll take this 2 common. We'll get 2 into 1 plus cos 2 pi by 5. And here also we'll take 2 common. We'll get 1 minus cos pi by 5. We'll cancel this 2 with 2. We can write 1 equals 4. 1 plus cos 2 pi by 5 into 1 minus cos pi by 5. Now we'll use half angle formula for both these factors. So we can write 1 equals 4 and this is 2 cos square pi by 5 into 2 sin square pi by 10. So from here we can say 4 cos pi by 5 into sin pi by 10, it is equal to 1. And this is what we need to prove. Now here the question is, if the expression z to the power 5 minus 32 can be factorized into linear and quadratic factors over real coefficients, then find the value of p square plus 2p. Now we know that if we have this polynomial equation z to the power 5 minus 32 equals 0, we can write this as z equals 32 to the power 1 by 5, which is 2 into 1 to the power 1 by 5. Now say alpha is e to the power iota 2 pi by 5, that is fifth root of unity. Then 5 roots of this equation are 2 alpha square, 2 alpha cube, and 2 alpha to the power 4. Now since alpha is fifth root of unity, we know that alpha to the power 4 is alpha bar and alpha cube is alpha bar square. So 5 roots can also be expressed as 2 alpha bar, 2 alpha square, and 2 alpha bar square. Now we can write z to the power 5 minus 32 as z minus 2 alpha, z minus 2 alpha bar, z minus 2 alpha square, and then z minus 2 alpha bar square. Now we'll multiply these two factors and these two factors. We can write z to the power 5 minus 32 will be z minus 2 z square minus 2 alpha plus alpha bar z plus 4, and here will be z square minus 2 alpha square plus alpha bar square z, and then plus 4. Now alpha plus alpha bar is 2 cos 2 pi by 5, and alpha square plus alpha bar square is 2 cos 4 pi by 5. So now we can write z to the power 5 minus 32 will be z minus 2 z square minus 4 cos 2 pi by 5 z plus 4, and z square minus 4 cos 4 pi by 5 plus 4. Now we compare, we'll get p as 4 cos 2 pi by 5. Which is 4 cos 72 degrees, and which is also 4 sin 18 degrees. Now sin 18 degrees is root 5 minus 1 by 4. We'll cancel this 4 with 4. We can write p plus 1 equals root 5. Now we square it, we'll get p square plus 2p plus 1 will be 5. From here we can say the value of p square plus 2p is nothing but 4, and that is the answer to this question. Now here the question is, resolve z to the power 7 minus 1 into linear and quadratic factors, and hence deduce that cos pi by 7 into cos 2 pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7 is 1 by 8. Now say alpha is 7th root of unity, which is e to the power iota 2 pi by 7. Now we can write z to the power 7 minus 1 as z minus 1 z minus alpha, z minus alpha square, z minus alpha cube, z minus alpha to the power 4, alpha to the power 5 and alpha to the power 6. Alpha to the power 6 is alpha bar, alpha to the power 5 is alpha bar square and alpha to the power 4 is alpha bar cube. So we can write this as z to the power 7 minus 1, z minus 1, z minus alpha, z minus alpha bar, z minus alpha square, z minus alpha bar square and z minus alpha cube into z minus alpha bar cube. So we'll write this as z to the power 7 minus 1 will be z minus 1, z square minus alpha plus alpha bar z plus 1, z square minus alpha square plus alpha bar square z plus 1 and z square minus alpha cube plus alpha bar cube z plus 1, since alpha into alpha bar is 1. Now alpha plus alpha bar is 2 cos 2 pi by 7. This is 2 cos 4 pi by 7 and this is 2 cos 6 pi by 7. So we'll get this as z to the power 7 minus 1 will be z minus 1, z square minus 2 cos 2 pi by 7 z plus 1, z square minus 2 cos 4 pi by 7 z plus 1 and then z square. Now we can write cos 6 pi by 7 as cos pi minus pi by 7 and will be minus cos pi by 7. So it will be z square plus 2 cos pi by 7z plus 1. Now we need to find this product cos pi by 7 into cos 2 pi by 7 into cos. Now what we'll do is we'll put z as iota. So it will be iota to the power 7 minus 1 will be iota minus 1 and then we'll have minus 2 cos 2 pi by 7 iota minus 2 cos 4 pi by 7 iota and then 2 cos pi by 7 iota. Now this minus and minus will be plus. Now iota to the power 7 is iota cube, which is minus iota. So we'll take minus common and we'll get this as 1 plus iota. Here it will be iota minus 1 and then 2 into 2 into 2 will be 8 and then iota cube. Iota cube is minus iota and here we'll have cos pi by 7 into cos 2 pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7. Now we'll cancel this minus with minus. Now we multiply this iota here, we'll get iota square, which is minus 1 minus iota into 8 and it will be cos pi by 7 into cos 2 pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7. Now we take minus common. Here it will cancel. So we'll get this minus 1 here. So from here we can write the value of cos pi by 7 into cos 2 pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7. It is minus 1 by 8. So this result cos pi by 7 into cos 2 pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7, it should be actually minus 1 by 8.